Hi, I'm J. Francis Lee. I'm immigration attorney in Chicago, Schaumburg, Illinois, and Madison, Wisconsin. I'm also a college professor and first-generation immigrant. Today, I will continue to explain overview of N400 interview process. This video is based on how naturalization interviews are conducted in Chicago. Keep in mind that your actual experience may be different. Check out our US Citizenship Interview Part 1 video to learn about the interview procedure inside the USCIS field office building. You are inside the officer's interview room now. The order of N400 eligibility interview and test vary. If the officer conducts civics test first, you are required to take the test in English in most cases. The officer will verbally ask the question, which you need to answer likewise. You will pass if you correctly answer 6 out of 10 US Civics questions. Here is a sample practice civics test. What is the highest court in the United States? The Supreme Court. In most cases, you'll be also tested for your English ability to read and write. Unlike the civics test, you'll be instructed to use the tablet. You must read one sentence correctly out of 3 choices to pass the reading test. You must write one sentence correctly out of 3 choices to pass the writing test. Here is a sample practice English reading test. We pay taxes. We pay taxes. When you pass both civics and English tests, the officer will conduct N400 eligibility interview by reading the questions in N400 form. Unless your situation has changed since your initial submission, your answers are expected to match what you type in your form. Unlike the test, interpreter may assist your interview. Here is practice citizenship interview question and answer. When did you become a lawful permanent resident? January 2nd, 2015. After concluding the interview, the officer may recommend approval of your application or inform you that your application is subject to further review. About 30 to 120 days after your successful interview, you will attend a naturalization ceremony to receive a certificate of naturalization. You need to apply for US passport if you plan to go overseas. Congratulations. Francis Law Center, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.